Alright. Well, starting to get the wires, the whole harness out. Got the fuse panel apart. This is my modified, well, harness, which I'm going to fix. And there's my 411 computer for the LS. I got the harness from the 2003 Silverado. It's right here. Yeah, I know it's got the green and the blue, but I'm pretty sure I can make 2 in 1 because I still got the IAC motor and the TPS sensor right there, while this is the drive-by wire system. But I'm pretty sure with all the PIDs, with all the connectors, you know, where the wires goes, I could probably make it work with this. But I'm gonna make sure the seat's nice and clean. Make sure these wires are long enough so that way it won't be too tight when I put it in the computer. And there's the V6. It's already out of the out of the hook. But yeah, look. Got my double rolling timing chain set installed with my sloppy stage 2 cam. And my oil, I took the oil pump apart and it's in great shape. What I did is I actually put a taller spring with a different plug, so that way I'll raise the oil pressure a little bit. There's my pickup tube, and here's my adapter brackets. I'm using the V6, the small block V6 to the small block Chevy adapter brackets to fit the LS adapter. But you see, I still got some more adjustability. So that way when I put it in, it'll be easier to adjust. And there's my oil pan, my timing cover, and I also got the alignment tool right there. Got my valve covers, my intake, and of course right here, yeah, I know, I'm running manifolds, but I cleaned it up and painted it. And there's my cylinder heads right there, and this is the transmission that's going in. Right there, see, I already put the input shaft and the stator. And there's the bell housing right over there for the LS design. Since they are different. Yeah, I know it's cramped in here. But that's the one for the small block Chevy and the V6. And this is the bell housing for the and there's the bell housing for the LS. It's got the bolt in the top. There's my rear end cover with the alignment tool installed. And flywheel, or should I say flex plate. And there's my adapter bracket for my AC compressor. And this has got part of the bracket for the alternator, which I'm going to be running in a 140 amp alternator, brand new. So that's what I've been up to. Not much progress, but at least I'm going to start on the wiring. I'm also going to clean the engine bay as well. So till then, stay tuned.